I'm just going to show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system, and it can be quite strange sometimes it's straightforward, sometimes it's not. So if I go to music here, you see at the bottom there the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles. Volvo's not showing up on here, so it's not going to play through this system. If I click media, it says connecting John's phone. John's not here. John's phone's not here. So this is what you need to do. Click onto OK. It says search for new device, but then it shows mine there, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's the one I want to be playing music from. Again, keep an eye on here. So if I turn that down to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click OK, connect for media, the new menu has come up. There you go.
It was all good shipmate spirit again.
Just going to turn that down because that's an audio book. I'm going to click play on America. That's the volume's turned up on here. There you go. That's how you set it up to play music.